Konnichiwa! Hello people of the interwebs, we are at the studio once again. Today we're doing stuff with your telephono. Changing the colors. Yeah, it's beautiful. And I have some amazing people with me today.
What's up?
Hi.
And they are?
Oh, right, introductions. I'm Adam.
I'm April.
Perfect. Anywho, so let's do the phone. Phone bang. Okay. Woo! Yes! So the reason that we're doing this is because a lot of the time, maybe you can't afford to buy light painting stuff, right? But most people have a cell phone, and the app that you can get for free. So yeah, it's pretty dope. Pretty dope. What is up in her?
$3.99.
Free 50.
Oh wow, you guys are amazing. That was so great. I'm gonna leave now. This is your show.
Oh.
Ooh.
What are we supposed to be talking about?
I don't know, something about lights and cameras and stuff.
Can you keep silent? Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now.
In order to do this with your cell phone, I have an Android and I have what's called the Color Flashlight app. That's what I'm using for this, and it works pretty great. There is also an alternative for iPhone, and I'll leave a link for both of these in the description below. So if I want to open this, what's great about this app, so it starts, boom, I can turn it on and off. That's already great, right? I know, crazy town. But then you can change the color. Woo, crazy, I love it. Digging it. You can change the brightness of that, but you might as well just keep it on the highest. And then click down at the top thing, click down up there, and then you click this bad boy and you get all these options. Look at all these options, man. Like, boom, Popo. We got rainbows. We got hypnosis, okay? We got all the bells and whistles you could ever want when you're doing light painting with your cell phone. Okay, so now we're gonna actually do things. But now you know how to get it. And yeah, you're gonna be great. I believe in you. Camera settings, we're on ISO 1000 because this is not very bright. At least not right now. Yeah, I can't get much brighter than this. So, not very bright, so you wanna bump up that ISO. I'm at f-stop 2.8. Just for all you kids at home, okay? Get the popo going on, that's what we're starting with. Oh, hello there! Thanks for watching this video. I'm enraptured by these two wonderful people. And, you know, I appreciate them a lot for coming out and doing this. And, you know, like, subscribe, but I'm not gonna say to live your life, but I'd appreciate it. And see your beautiful faces in the next video. Okay, bye. I'm so glad you got too much to do. That was not planned at all. I was like, and like shuffled away. That was incredible.
We do dorky real well.
That's fantastic.
Yes. What's up? I really like what we said earlier. You know what that was? Word to all you mothers and the fathers. We don't want anyone left out. It's important. Okay. Anywho, I have Adam and April with me here again. Even though we did this video already, but it's fine. It's totally cool. It doesn't matter. We're here and we're doing it. And I love it.
We do what we want.
Yeah, and I don't know, dude. That first intro was really good. And we did like, you guys were like, fan away, and I was like, oh, like that was pretty amazing though. So I don't even know if we'll use this. I'm gonna put it at the end because I'm just rambling at this point. It's fine. It's great.
Edit this.
Yeah, word. And
We'll fix it in post.
Yeah. All right. I guess we're gonna go now.
Sure.
Or not.